Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax return for salaried person, updated. First, gather Form 16, salary slips, bank statements, and investment proofs to prepare documentation. Next, pick the right ITR form for salaried taxpayers and confirm whether you need to include any side income or capital gains. Then compute taxable income by applying deductions like 80C and 80D and determine your tax liability before filing. Start by confirming your gross salary, allowances, and any perquisites shown on Form 16 so you have accurate figures. Apply the standard deduction and subtract professional tax and eligible HRA exemption to reduce taxable salary. Add income from other sources and subtract deductions under 80C, 80D, and home loan interest to compute taxable income. Finally, use the tax slab rates to calculate tax owed or refund due. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and hit like to support more useful tax guides and updates. Quick recommendation: grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for your car to stay focused while commuting to work or heading to the tax office. It brightens the drive and keeps paperwork stress a little fresher. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Log in to the tax portal with your credentials and verify PAN and personal details before starting the form. Carefully fill the selected ITR form, entering income, TDS details from Form 16, and claim deductions to ensure accuracy. Use the Compute Tax feature to check liability and pay any self-assessment tax online if needed. Once verified, sign digitally or send the signed ITRV to complete filing and track the acknowledgement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.